Well, if you're injured in an accident in Oklahoma, you need an attorney. You need someone to protect your rights. You need someone that knows how to deal with insurance companies. Remember, the insurance agents, the insurance adjuster's job is to save the company money. Our job is to make sure that we maximize and get you the most money that you're entitled to. Your attorney also makes sure that your medical bills are paid. The worst thing in the world is for someone to settle their case and find out that they have medical bills outstanding. We take care of all of that for you. We make sure medical bills are paid. We make sure that you're adequately compensated. Once you retain an attorney, the insurance company is prohibited from contacting you directly. Any communication with any representative of an insurance company will be done with the attorney present. Under Oklahoma law, you're entitled to recover your loss of income, your medical expenses, your pain and suffering. If you have a serious injury that's going to result in future medical expenses and future medical treatment, maybe future loss of income or permanent disability, all of those factors need to be considered to see what the value of your settlement is. An individual usually doesn't know what an appropriate dollar figure is for a settlement. That's why you need an attorney. An attorney knows what your case is worth, what you are entitled to recover, and works to get you the maximum recovery. Under Oklahoma law, you have two separate types of damages you're entitled to recover. One is property damage, one is personal injury damage. They're completely separate. You settle your property damage, you still are entitled to recover for your injury. We will evaluate your injury case and settle it separate and apart from the property damage claim. Usually, once you're released from treatment and we get your medical records and your reports and bills in, and Accident Care and Treatment Center is very good at getting us the records in a timely manner. Once we get the records and the reports and get your case evaluated and submit it to the insurance company, usually we get a first offer within, I'd say within 3 to 4 weeks, sometimes sooner, sometimes longer, but that's a pretty good average. Then once we get their first offer, we negotiate back and forth and discuss it with you, with our client, the amount of the offer, and we decide if we want to settle. At that point, if we've reached what we think is a reasonable settlement, we'll go ahead and settle. If not, we may have to file a lawsuit, and at that point it can extend an extended period of time. Some medical providers file liens to protect their interests. Some insurance companies will try to settle with individuals and have them sign a release and sign off on a check without paying their medical expenses, which leaves that person open to bill collectors trying to collect these medical expenses from them. When the medical provider files a lien, the insurance company cannot settle without making sure that the medical provider is included on the settlement draft or check. There is one lump sum settlement. We take the lump sum settlement, we write checks to all of the medical bill providers to pay off all of your medical bills. We pay the litigation expenses that we've been out. We write checks for your attorney fees, and we write a check to you for your portion of the settlement. Our client is paid. Our client doesn't have to write a check for any of their medical bills. We take care of all of that for them.